Luxury kitchen idea. Welcome back to another day with me. There is a beautiful garden in front of my kitchen, so that's why I cooked well and I choose this type of kitchen. If you like my videos, then tell me your country in the comment section, and I love you. I have never seen any video of kitchen ideas, but when I looked this location, so the first thing that came in my mind is the kitchen. So I'm doing my own idea. So let's see. This flower pot is looking very graceful, so that's why I choose to put it on my dining. Now this time is to fill up our drawers or our fridge cabinets, so if I missed some things, so forget it. Finally, this is complete, and this time is to decorate our fridge. Let's start. But something is missing. Did you notice? That is a thing that I forget before, but now this is okay. There is some fruits that I love, so I don't like veg, so that's why I choose to not add it on my fridge. I like to eat ice creams and cakes or some cocoa powder, cheese, and many more things, you know. Hey, it looks great. I love it. I love fruits, coffee, and candies. Oh wait, something is missing. This place is very blank and I don't like blank things. So let's decorate it with would be. If you like this kitchen idea, then tell me your country in the comment section and hit like for it. Stay tuned!